So the snowball effect is basically where you pay off the lowest balance of your credit cards first. And once you pay that off, then you can use the money that was going towards that to pay off the rest of the debt with the higher balance or the higher interest rates. Now, the key to that, the pro to that is one of the pros is you can pay it off faster. So if you pay it off faster, you can use that to attack the other ones. Now, the flip side to that is that interest, if you're not using if you're not paying the one off with the higher interest and or the higher balance, then the interest that you're paying is eating away at that opportunity cost that I mentioned earlier. Now, the avalanche method is you tackle the highest interest rate first or the higher balance. And once you pay that off, you can use, so it's normally a large amount of money that you had to contribute to paying off. But once you pay it off, you can use that you were paying towards that to pay off the other ones. And then you can just wipe the other ones. Now, a con with that is it can take longer because the balance is so much higher. Does that make sense? Cool, cool. Okay, so
Thank you.
oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. I just want to make sure that I'm explaining it um in depth as much as possible. Let me see. Snowball versus avalanche. Yeah, so basically the snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest balance first for psychological momentum, while the avalanche method targets the highest interest rate first to minimize total interest paid. Both require paying minimums on all accounts. So pretty much, yeah. So pretty much, the snowball effect, you can knock it out the whole accounts early, builds motivation and momentum to stick with the plan. The downside is it can cost you more money in the long term as far as interest. So yeah, so APR. So yeah, so that's pretty much what it is. So it really depends on which way you want to attack it. So for me, depending on the situation, I'm one of those people. Like I said, given the situation, I like attacking small tasks first. Like if I had like a big project, I like to get those small wins first, like it says, to boost my confidence and boost my momentum. Then I can get going. Then I can, get that extra push, that second win or that extra momentum to keep going. If I see a big task or a big project and I just look at how big it is, I can get analysis paralysis. That's just me. So, so to each his own, just weigh out the pros and cons for each one.